So we are here at Cabana Bay Beach Resort for a Volcano Bay view room.
One night.
One night.
One night only.
One night only. But yeah, should we give them a little bit of a room tour?
Yeah.
We are in Block 8, which is one of the Volcano Bay towers.
Pacific room is block 8, floor 7, and then room
7?
7.
8707. I think
Yeah.
that's what number we are anyway. So, stood at the door, loads of space here. As you come in, plenty of storage for your luggage. As you come in, you've got the bathroom. Boop, boop. Whoa, that's bright.
Whoa!
So,
this is huge!
it is very big. So you've got sink with your Zest soap. Vlogger's wave, hello. Oh, toilet. Oh, it is bigger than I thought.
huge.
Whoa. This is Zoe.
Hello.
And we have the bath with some VO5 products. And
Shampoo, cream rinse, and a bath soap.
Nice. Big shower, bath, standard American bath.
Yeah, they're quite shallow.
They are. Another mirror, vlogger's wave, come on Zoe.
Hello.
Come out of the bathroom. Safe. You've got extra pillows. You've got a luggage rack, hangers. There's an iron back there as well if you really want to do it. Oh, and an ironing board. I didn't notice that. If you really want to do ironing whilst you are on holiday. And then into the main part of the room. Adjoining rooms. So if you do have two parties, want adjoining rooms, there. Controls for your heating and your aircon. TV, drawers. Let's see what the drawers are like. Oh, they make a funny noise. So yeah, decent drawers there. Cupboard with a little mini fridge. Your refrigerator is chilling purposes only. Very important to note. Yeah, little fridge there. It's a TV. You've got a Cuisinart, if that's how you pronounce it, with some coffee, condiments. That doesn't look like ketchup.
No, it'll be.
I know what coffee condiments.
Yeah, spoon, napkin.
Yep, you've got coffee, and more coffee. Ice bucket, cups. Nice little seating area.
Seat, table, bin.
Yep. And then this side you have two double beds, king beds, queen beds, beds.
I don't know how you class them out here. They're not as wide as they are long.
No. Are they comfy though?
Yeah, very comfy. But head to calf.
Head to calf on a Zoe height person.
5 foot wide.
Yeah. So whatever that is. You got lights, lots of lights around the bed, phone, notebook, or notepad, clock, and then your other bed. So yeah, plenty of room. Should we play the plugs game?
Socket challenge.
Got to do this one.
I've already swapped up, so
Oh,
there it is.
here we go. Speed socket challenge. There is none there.
There's one there.
There's two there, yes.
Some in here.
So that's 4,
There's 2 there.
6,
There is 2 there.
7, 8, 9, 10,
2 there.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
With USBs
Nice.
and Ethernet.
16, 17, 18. I don't think that's going to be enough for us.
But no, what's this? That's like an old light switch surround.
That is very random. Why don't you just take it off and fill it?
Yeah.
17 sockets. There's a couple of USBs. But we have got the all-in-one question. What is the flow of the water like?
Should we tell Ollie?
We've got to tell Ollie what the flow of the water is like.
How does he do it? Full whack.
Full whack.
Oh, good lord.
Oh, it's not a very, Ollie, it's
In
not a
case
very good
that's
flow.
hot, let's try the other one. Oh. Together? Oh.
That is a very
That's enough though.
It's enough. Just a disappointing flow.
Should we try the flow of the hairdryer?
Is it a good hairdryer flow?
It's not bad.
We've got one more thing to show you.
Oh,
The most
we
important
have.
thing.
I was thinking that was it.
No, we've got the most important thing to show you, which is the view.
Can I show you the curtains?
Hang on. Yeah, let me turn some lights off because it doesn't do it
Oh,
justice.
there's an all off.
Oh, an all-off button. Go on then.
Ready? Oh, that doesn't do all off.
It tells Paul. What about the switch above it? That does nothing. That is a very disappointing switch. It is telling Porkies it does not do all off.
So, go on some sort of like
So he rips them from the ceiling.
Okay. How come I don't?
We can even see it through there.
Right, here we go. Yeah! That is what this hotel room is all about. I mean, Cabana Bay is a stunning, it's not a stunning hotel, but an amazing hotel. But it makes it stunning when you get a Volcano Bay view room.
Look at that view. Nice pristine Volcano Bay that's not been open for a few days because it's been too cold. But yeah, what a view. You can't really see us, but it's fine because there's an amazing view behind us.
From the silhouette of Zoe and Nathan.
Yeah, that is a Volcano Bay view room here at Cabana Bay.
Mm-hmm.
Tower 8, room 8707. So yeah, thanks for joining. And thanks for watching this room tour. If you're not already checked, let there be light and there will light beyond the window. Out in Volcano Bay. But yeah, if you haven't already checked out this series, we've been at Universal today, we're at Islands of Adventure tomorrow.
Yep.
There's some Disney vlogs, all that good stuff from our trip out here to Orlando.
It's been amazing.
It has been brilliant.
It's been a busy one with crowds, but it shows just what you can achieve in busy times.
Yeah, so go and check out that playlist if you haven't already.
Yep.
But yeah, hope you enjoyed this room tour. Until next time, we shall see you
Real soon. Bye!